elimination of arbitrary constants. So kung kanina sa families of solution sa families of solution, given yung differential equation, tapos nahanap natin yung general solution. Okay? Ngayon, sa elimination ng arbitrary constants, ang given is your general solution. Pabaliktad tayo. Makukuha nyo ngayon yung differential equation. Pabaliktad. So kung kanina, nasolve na may DE, sinolve mo yung general solution. Ngayon, given ang solution, hanapin mo yung equation, yung DE. Paano yun ginagawa? We use elimination of arbitrary constants. Hindi elimination of elimination of engineering students. But yun. Okay? Elimination of arbitrary constants. Okay. Paano yun? So, dapat, yung differential equation natin ngayon, meron na siyang of order equal to the number of arbitrary constants in the given relation, and then that is consistent with your relation, and that is free from arbitrary constants. So, pag nag-eliminate tayo ng constants, na arbitrary constants, makakaroon tayo ng isang differential equation na. So, pabaliktad tayo from a solution, and then we now solve. Now, we will now have your differential equation. Paano to ngayon? Example tayo. Eliminate the constant C sub 1 and C sub 2 from this relation. Ito tayo. So, kung napansin ninyo, dalawang constants, C sub 1 and C sub 2. So, dapat, sabi doon, we need to differentiate kung ilan yung constants na tatanggalin mo. Since dalawang constant na tatanggalin mo, dalawa din yung differentiation na gagawin. So, from the given, y is equal to c sub 1 e raised to negative 2x plus c sub 2 e raised to 3x. Dalawang beses tayo mag-differentiate. Dalawa. So, we have y prime is equal to negative 2c sub 1 e raised to negative 2x e plus 3c sub 2 e raised to 3x. And then, dalawang derivative lang. Ang second derivative. Pangalawang derivative, y double prime is equal to, this is 4, c sub 1 e raised to negative 2x plus 9, c sub 2 e raised to 3x. Okay? Gawin natin, y is equation number 1, y prime is equation number 2, and y double prime is equation number 3. Okay? And then, now, we multiply, para matanggal yung c sub 1. To eliminate c sub 1, we multiply your equation number 1 by, para matanggal c sub 1. Kalawin natin yung equation 1 tsaka equation 3. So mula dyan, para matanggal ang c sub 1, multiply tayo ng 4. We multiply 4 to equation 1. So that we now have, multiply both sides, ha? So we have 4y is equal to 4 c sub 1 e raised to negative 2x plus 4 c sub 2 e raised to 3x. Okay? And then from equation 3, ayan, sabi natin 1 and 3 ang gagalawin. So yung equation 3 is y double prime is equal to 4 c sub 1 e raised to negative 2x plus 9 c sub 2 e raised to 3x. Paano matatanggal yung c sub 1 dito? 4 tsaka 4. I-subtract natin yung dalawa para mag-cancel yung 4. Para maging 0 yung 4. Yung dalawang na yan. So 4 minus 4 is 0. So we now have 4y minus y double prime is equal to 4 minus 4, 0. So 4 minus 9, that is negative 5 c sub 2 e raised to 3x. Okay? Equation number 4. Ito. Okay. Next. Galawin natin yung equation 2, ito, tsaka yung equation 3. Equation 2, tsaka 3. Ito. So, from equation 2, mag-multiply tayo, tanggalin natin yung c sub 1 ulit. C sub 1 tayo ulit. Para matanggal yung c sub 1, multiply tayo ng 2 sa equation number 1. So, we now have 2. 2y prime is equal to negative 4 c sub 1 e raised to negative 2x plus 6c sub 2 e raised to 3x. Okay? And then, equation 3 ito yung isa. We have y double prime is equal to 4 c sub 1 e raised to negative 2x plus 9 c sub 2 e raised to 3x. Okay? Para matanggal yung negative 4 c sub 1 tsaka yung 4 c sub 1, o negative 4 tsaka 4, para matanggal yan, maging 0, kailangan natin siyang i-add. Oh, so we have 2y prime plus y double prime is equal to, cancel to. So we have 6 plus 9. We have, ilan yan?
16, sir.
15.
10 c sub 2 e raised to 3x. Okay, this is equation number 5. O, para matanggal ang c sub 2, mag-multiply tayo ng, para matanggal ang c sub 2, dito tayo mag-doon sa gilid. Multiply tayo ng 5 sa equation number 4. O, mula sa equation number 4, multiply ng 5. Times 5 tayo. Times 5.
3 lang po.
Ha? 3 lang pala, sorry. Naduling na. 3 lang pala yan. Multiply 3 to equation 4. Kala ko 3 yung given. 5 pala. So we have, multiply tayo ng 3. So we have 3 times 4, that is 12. 3 times 4, 12. 12y. Tapos, minus y double prime, that is, ano y double prime natin? Times 3. 3y double prime is equal to negative 15 c sub 2 e raised to 3x. So, para makancel to, mag-add tayo. 0 to. So, we now have 2y prime plus 12y and then minus 2y double prime is equal to 0. Ito na siya ngayon. Okay? Common yung 2. So we can divide both sides of the equation by 2. So that is simply y prime plus 6y minus y double prime is equal to 0. Okay? Multiply natin to by negative 1 and rewriting the equation, we now have y double prime minus 6y. Okay? Kunin ko muna yung y prime pala. Y double prime. Y double prime. Highlighter yan. Then, y double prime minus y prime minus 6y is equal to 0. So, ito na yung ating differential equation. Okay? So, nakuha na natin yung differential equation from the given, ito, which is ito yung general solution. Okay? So, na-eliminate natin yung C sub 1 at C sub 2. Kaya nagkaroon na tayo ng isang differential equation. Okay?